Hello everyone. The Product Custom Highlight app is an ultimate tool for a business that wants to enhance their product pages with eye-catching and informative custom highlights. This app allows you to highlight your product unique features and benefits, making them more attractive to the customers. User can create and custom highlight blocks that can be added to any of the product pages. User can add and multiple custom highlights for the same product. Now let's complete the configuration for an product highlight. So for that we need to get into the settings. Under website we can see an option named product highlight. We need to enable this option. Now, after enabling this option, we can create an product custom highlight. For creating an product custom highlight, we need to get into the website. Okay, so in website under configurations, we can see an option in product custom highlights. So let me get into that. So from here, user can create and custom highlight by using a new option which is available here. So let me get into the one which I have already created. There we need to give a name as well as the description column. Okay. So after creating the highlights, we need to enable these highlights in the product. So for that, we need to get into the e-commerce. Under that, we can see end products. Okay. So let me get into the one of the product which we have already created. So in the product page under the sales tab of the product form view, user can add and multiple product highlights for the same product like this. Okay. So once this is done, let me get into the website and see how it actually works. Now user can see I am in the website page. Now let me get into the shop. So from here, let me get into the product. On the e-commerce shop page, user can see all the product highlights on the product view. So from here you can see and product specifications or material, brand and color and style, and also you can see the descriptions right away here. So in this way we can make use of this module to help users to add and custom highlights on the website product page. Thank you for watching.